Da bomb, understanding a slang phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and popular slang phrase in the English language. Da bomb. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it came from, and how to use it in a conversation. Da bomb is a slang phrase that means something is really great or impressive. If you say that something is da bomb, you are saying that it is fantastic, the best, or simply awesome. For example, if you just had a delicious piece of cake, you might say, that cake was da bomb. The phrase, da bomb, originates from African-American Vernacular English, AAVE, and became especially popular during the 1990s. It's believed to be a part of hip-hop culture and was commonly used in music, films, and TV shows of that era. The word, da, is a colloquial way of saying the, giving the phrase a more informal and catchy sound. Using da bomb is straightforward. Here are a few examples. 1. The new movie I watched last night was da bomb. 2. You have to try this pizza place. Their crust is da bomb. 3. Thanks for the recommendation. That book was da bomb. However, it's important to note that while the phrase is still understood, it might be seen as slightly dated. So, while it's fun to use, it's best used in informal and casual settings. There you have it. Now you know what da bomb means, its origin, and how to use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language is always evolving, and slang terms come in and out of fashion. While da bomb might sound a bit 90s, it's always fun to sprinkle our conversations with phrases from different eras. We hope you found this explainer helpful, and stay tuned for more insights into the English language.